The SM202A mini sewing machine, I just received it today. It's almost impossible to get the proper tension on the top cotton, but I managed to do something and actually get some stitches. The second I got some stitches working, and I did it on the sample here. So that's the one on the right. I did that line of stitching. It suddenly stopped working and made this noise. And it won't actually work. If I put my foot on the pedal, it just does that. So it's already broken and I've only been using it for 15 minutes.